In the heart of the Plantation of Somerset, an inviting haven awaits at 12905 New Market Street, Unit 102. This remarkable condo unfolds into a spacious retreat with 2 bedrooms plus a den and 2 baths, providing an abundance of living space for both you and your loved ones. Nestled within an active community, residents enjoy a plethora of amenities, from golf and pickleball to tennis and bocce. The open floor plan seamlessly intertwines the living room and kitchen, creating an idyllic setting for entertaining or simply unwinding with family and friends. The kitchen features a convenient breakfast bar, while the master bedroom boasts an ensuite bath for added comfort and privacy. A second bedroom, strategically placed near the second bath, provides the perfect space for guests or family members. Additional highlights include a secure 2-car garage, with extra storage, and a covered lanai, offering a serene spot to relax and savor the pleasant Florida weather. The Plantation of Somerset offers an active golf community that is optional. This flexibility allows residents to take advantage of the fantastic golf facilities at their leisure. Whether you're an avid golfer or simply enjoy the atmosphere of a vibrant community, this condo is the perfect place to call home.